हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम एक ये ऑटो रिक्शा राइड में हैं जिसमें हम जा रहे हैं लाजपत टू सीरी फोर्ट। और आज हमारे साथ इस राइड में हैं मिष्टी दीदी जो हैं श्रुति की फ्रेंड। एंड हम मिष्टी दीदी से कुछ क्वेश्चंस श्रुति मिष्टी दीदी से कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेगी रिलेटेड टू दिल्ली एंड दिल्ली मार्केट्स एंड मिष्टी दीदी विल आंसर इट फॉर अस।
ठीक है, लेट्स डू इट। हेलो मिष्टी।
हाय।
सो मिष्टी, आप साउथ दिल्ली में ही रहती हैं, ठीक है। आपकी विसिनिटी में पूरा ये सरोजनी, लाजपत और जीके पड़ता है। तो पहले तो इन तीनों मार्केट्स के बारे में आप टू द गुड पॉइंट्स बताओ। लाजपत।
Yeah, I think you missed out. One is Khan Market as well. So basically, if you just, I think it's a division of audience in each of the market. Lajpat le lo, GK le lo. So like Lajpat, I'll say it's for everybody.
Right.
Anything and everything under the sky. कोई ना कोई आपको एक शॉप मिल जाएगी. And for clothes, you just jump on. मतलब last minute कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, शादी है, पार्टी है, कुछ है, and you don't want to think too much. ठीक है, you might not get a desired design or something at times, but you don't want to think too much. Short on time, easy on pocket. Come down to Lajpat. That's clearly like that. GK has become a very quick hopping spot. I for the longest time, once upon a time, I used to really plan and go for shopping at GK. But right now, GK is something कि आप वहाँ shopping करने जाओ and just pick up things which you might need in future. It's not planned shopping. So you'll find something nice, अच्छा लगा ले लिया, because summers है, tops use हो जाएंगे, dresses use हो जाएंगी. So something like that, you can just store up stuff from there. So GK is something like that, and considering it's close to the college circuit, a lot of colleges are around, so students generally keep hopping around these markets. So yeah, it's a fun to unplanned shopping kind of, because you're hanging around in cafes and you're just picking up little bit shopping stuff also, so it works that way. Then coming to your Sarojini is of course see, Sarojini का algorithm जो है Instagram से भी ज़्यादा tricky है if you ask me, because in Sarojini you're not sure आपको exact desired चीज़ उस दिन मिलेगी, because उसके बहुत सारे aspects होते हैं. उसके अंदर morning hours are the golden period. golden hours होते हैं उसके अंदर, आपके 11-12 बजे से लेके 3-4 बजे तक. Those are the golden hours, because उसके अंदर सब अपना stock just open कर रहे होते हैं. If you reach there, you grab them, or else you'll miss out. Clearly, if you're reaching after 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, you'll definitely miss out. Second thing is, if you're coming on weekends, you'll find a lot of common stuff and lot of commercial stuff जो वो बेचना चाह रहे हैं, जो उनके बहुत hidden, because कुछ ड्रेसेस, कुछ आइटम्स, कुछ टॉप्स ऐसे होते हैं जो बहुत लिमिटेड होते हैं. कोई एक पीस होता है, 2 पीस होता है. फॉर दैट यू रियली हैव टू बी रबिंग योर लक टू मेक श्योर दैट यू रीच देयर एंड यू फाइंड इट. सो विद सरोजनी इट्स वेरी ट्रिकी. यू रियली हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ सर्टेन एस्पेक्ट्स. एंड द आइडिया इज, इफ विंटर्स की आपको शॉपिंग करनी है, सो डोंट गो इन नवंबर. यू हैव टू गो इन अगस्त और सितंबर. That's when you'll get the prime and the most premium stock in Sarojini, because उसके बाद वो जो आपको मिलेगा बहुत regular मिलेगा when the winter starts. And now coming to Khan Market, which is my favorite, so it is very expensive. But the beauty of Khan Market is it has very subtle collection. The idea is they don't want you to buy 10 dresses, 10 kurtas. They want you to buy only one. Of course, you can afford also only one. But that will really be a prime collection in your wardrobe.
So what is the range of Khan? As in जो bracket होता है वो कितने से शुरू होके कितने तक, मतलब you would say कि what is the starting price if somebody is planning to Khan?
So Khan Market also has these two sections. One, you have your in-stores. You have your Jaipur. The Fab India has a very good store over there. Nicobar is there. So couple of these stores are there. Then you have your these hop-in shops over there. So hop-in shop, again, it starts from a 2,000 to 2,500 and it goes up to even 5,000. But of course there's scope for bargain over there.
Right.
In-store shops again starts with your bare minimum. I'm not even talking about the sets, just the kurtas you can find for maybe 2,000 it can start, not below that. But again, there's no room for bargaining over there.
Right, that's true.
So yeah, Khan of course is again same as GK, but Khan you will actually a little expensive side. Considering Khan Market, the real estate is Asia's most expensive one. So whosoever is rented a shop there is paying a bomb. So of course they have to charge you really high. But I think even if you don't want to buy, it's really an experience to go and explore those stores because the collection they have are very prime. I mean, even if they have a white kurta, it'll be such a subtle white kurta. They're like, there's nothing in it. It's just white and yet it's so appealing. So it's just to enhance your maybe fashion thinking or something. It's a good experience to even do
go
window
there,
shopping
हाँ.
and do that.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.